Yo, what's up guys, Rui here and welcome back to the channel. Now besides fashion in general, there are a lot of other random things I am interested in, which I would really like to share some of these interests of mine over on this channel. Therefore, I decided to start this brand new series called Unrelated, whereby I show you guys some of my interests that aren't particularly fashion related. I am super excited to be producing more of this kind of videos for this series, so hopefully you guys will be as excited as I am and will enjoy all the future content to come. Now this is not going to be a constant thing, and I'll only be producing these videos every now and then if something interesting does come up. Just a quick channel update, I am in the midst of planning a couple of pretty interesting projects that I have in mind for this channel. Therefore, those videos are, requiring a lot more time and planning. Therefore, it will be a while before I can push those videos out. However, if you guys are interested, throughout this whole videos, there are a lot of clues that will be related towards what I am planning for this channel. So if you guys are interested, kind of try to catch some of these clues and try to figure out what is it that is coming. Anyways, for the first episode of Unrelated, I will be showing you all the process of me decluttering and reorganizing the only wardrobe that's in my room, which is mainly used more of a storage space, because I do have an open closet system whereby all my clothes and shoes are kept there. I call this the closet of shame because as someone who is trying to implement minimalism into his life, and also as someone who likes to organize and compartmentalize things, it is truly one big mess and it's just so freaking chaotic inside here. Every time I do open it, I just don't know where things are, which really stresses me out, because on days where I have to rush out, I just can't seem to find the things that I'm looking for. And it really bugs me because everything is just all over the place. This closet has been here for over 10 years, therefore it does show some flaws and imperfection, but it is still fully functional, therefore I have no intentions of getting rid of it. I first proceed to clear all the things out, and since I am kind of reorganizing the whole closet, this would be a great time to give it a good wipe down. While some might just pile everything together, I do separate everything into different groups to kind of give me a better picture of what I have inside here. This also makes decluttering much easier for me, as I can probably see what I want to keep and what needs to be get rid of, because along the way I would always chuck random little trinkets and things that I just want to hide from sight. Now when it comes to decluttering, I follow the most general rule, which is items that have been sitting for a couple of months, or if they no longer have any purpose in my life, these are essentially the things that I will get rid of. Obviously this is an exception towards my childhood stuff, because I still have a lot of attachment towards them. While some might consider this as hoarding and not being a minimalist, these are actually some of the remaining things left after I did my first decluttering a while back. I decided to still hold on to some of them because they do represent parts and bits of my childhood memory, which I would still like to very much keep. Here are all the stuff that I got rid of: a waterproof pouch, an old pair of leather shoes that I no longer wear, color filter papers, this Dream Fall packaging, some old band-aids, protective foam, random assortments of paperwork and stickers, wrapping papers, a laptop that I no longer use, a side bag, an old worn out belt, assortments of socks and underwear, hats, and lastly clothes that I have kept along the way thinking that I will one day wear them, but they've just been sitting here for the longest of time. One tip that I do practice when it comes to organization in a closet is to know what will be its intended usage and how to optimize the space better. In my case, besides using it as a storage unit, I need my closet to be a place whereby I can grab and store my everyday carry bags, as well as my filming equipment. My closet is broken down into 3 segments. The lower segment, which is also the largest one, is used to store all my childhood stuff, which are kept nicely inside boxes. The best is to get the same stackable boxes so that it will look more tidy and neat, but mine happen to be some random plastic boxes, and that is totally fine as well. Don't feel pressured or having the need to go out and buy new boxes if the current ones that you have are still usable. I also keep the only formal wear, which is this navy blue H&M suit that I bought for a career fair back when I was still in college. It was the cheapest suit I could find, as I knew that I wasn't going to wear it often. However, I kind of wish it's in a black color. Moving towards the middle section, naturally this is where I will reach for stuff due to the position of it. Therefore, I dedicate this section solely into storing mainly things that I will most likely use on a more frequent basis, such as my everyday carry stuff, camera equipment, my toiletry bag, as well as some daily supplements that I do take. For this section, I focus a lot on the ease of accessibility, and that is why I don't try to cram everything in this section and give it more space so that I can easily find what I want, grab it, and go. Finally, for the top section, this is where I just store things that I rarely use. I have my suitcase up here, and a space-saving tip is to store away your winter clothing inside here. Unfortunately, I now live in a country whereby it's summer all year round. Therefore, I have my winter clothes to be nicely packed up inside my suitcase alongside other travel items. That is it for today's video. This is just basically how I declutter and reorganize my own closet. If you are planning to do the same, hopefully this video is able to help you out. This video is a rather short one, but if you did enjoy watching it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel or just haven't been subscribed yet, please do me a favor and hit the subscribe button down below, because it really does help the channel out a long way. Don't forget there will be an Arbiter mod giveaway once the channel hits 8,000 subscribers. Till then guys, I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace out.